It doesn't look so bad down here. But
Once if we went up there, it's gonna feel a lot taller. Good.
Pasta sauce.
this one is definitely
Nope.
liquidier than our very first restaurant that we had.
What do you mean?
Oh, the other restaurant.
Go in Savannah?
Mm-hmm.
The rice is good.
Mm,
The rice is good.
this is yummy.
Good.
Eat it.
I'm gonna have what?
Evelyn, walk correctly.
Okay.
Mmm.
Hey, cotton candy.
Do you think this is real?
I don't think so. What's
I
just
don't know,
the
is
best
taxidermy?
It is.
It's
just
real?
broke. Yeah, it used to be open. Somebody dropped it.
exotic meat sticks.
What the hell?
Kangaroo. Python.
What is python? Python?
Snake.
Wow.
Shark. Sriracha shark.
Oh,
Swordfish.
swordfish.
Salmon.
We had salmon jerky before. Ostrich.
Lamb. Duck.
Interesting.
All of us?
Yep.
Oh my god. It smells like heaven.
Peppermint.
Me too. Ooh, I want chocolate. But this one is much good. What's so hot?
With more cornbread, and cornbread.
Stop eating Desmond's food, Mama.
Is there like a small piece?
Just eat it. Just get the plate with the actual brisket. It's fine. Like don't. You don't even have brisket.
This is a biscuit.
Okay.
Mmm. Mmm.
Then you want?
I'm good.
You should try it. It's very, very good.
What is this? Is that
Honey?
Honey.
Mmm.
Ethan, you want to?
Oh, interesting. Because it's milk and then fried. 오늘 아까 스보니아 스토어에 가서 사온 것도 기념품이라기보다는 지금 먹을 것도 있고 기념품도 있고 이래서 살짝 보여드릴게요. 요거는 솔트 워터 태피라는 건데 저는 사실 이게 확실히 잘 뭔지 모르겠거든요. 살짝 누겟은 아닌데 그거 비슴한 약간 미국의 여름 캔디 같은 거예요. 맛을 여러 개 담아서 이렇게 사왔고 아까 갔던 그 저키 집에서 이트니는 요 악어 닭고기 스틱 그리고 저키를 이렇게 세 종류 사왔습니다. 에볼리는 여기 팝콘 요거는 근처에 있는 피글리 위글리라는 그로서리 스토어에서 사온 건데 힐튼 헤드에서 만든 쌀쌀해요. It's local, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Piggly Wiggly.
It's made
Oh,
for
maybe it's
Piggly
made
Wiggly.
for Piggly Wiggly.
For Piggly Wiggly Hillside. I don't know what it means.
그리고 여기에 로컬 허니 가게가 있었는데 거기 가서 이렇게 허니 스틱 요거는 맛이 첨가된 허니 스틱이고 요거는 조금 더 퓨어한 허니 스틱 이렇게 사왔어요.
I saw the Worcestershire sauce. That's what this is.
That is a long loaf of bread. No, me and you though. Just me. I got it. No, I wanted to start. No, you started. Oh no, alright. That's all.
Cracker shirts and fish? You want to try? Evelyn, do you want to try crawfish? It's like a crab, like a little lobster. Very similar now that I realize.
It looks like it.
I could see why a lot of people say Chipotle on a steroid is what a lot of people say. Do you like that one?
This is good.
Oh,
If I'm just
I
Chipotle.
don't got sour cream. I don't got sour cream.
I didn't need extra calorie.
Don't know that you guys aren't used to the taste of
Well, I'll sip this
that's not
too.
even coffee. It's espresso.
Espresso's related to coffee, isn't it?
Oh, this is sweet, but it's
sweet.
good.
This
But
is
good.
definitely strawberry.
This is
100% taste. I'm like, it's
yum. It has strawberry.
flavor.
Mm.
This is good.
I
could drink either one of these.
I like
a
this.
good coffee.
It's a very good lavender syrup. They're refreshing.
Wow, that is really strong in the syrup though.
It's yummy. But I like yours too. Let's go. Pieces of bacon and potato chips.
Oh, wow. Oh, watermelon, cherry, grape
Honey, here's a taffy. Look, there's pear. Look at this. It's a really old-fashioned.
Obviously, Bolin is very popular. They make really good pop.
Oh, there's
Hanks.
Faygo, Bri. I don't want it, but I like the kit bottle.
Brownie.
Oh, it's very cute.
You should try one.
Brownie
You should just try one just because.
at home?
Just buy one. Just try it.
Okay.
So
I'll get one.
let's
Is
get
that the one you
one.
want to try?
Yeah.
Thank you. Very good.
That is
It's very timey.
Is it? Why is yours so soft?
it's a cream one.
But it's good.
It definitely tastes like lime.
Mm.
Oh, thyme. Wow.
Right?
I'm ready to become evil. I want the chocolate mocha.
Also, mocha.
Yeah,
Oh, there's raspberry type too.
they're good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
That people right there, they said this is their second time.
Oh, they've already been here.
Mine's a blueberry pie on top of this.
Supposedly, there's lighthouse behind this. We came all the way here to just look at this.
Yeah.
Hmm?
You want to go up to the top?
Yeah, we can go up to the top.
Why not?
Yeah, wait, let's go up to the top. Why? Oh, that's what you guys need. Our penny machine.
Activate.
Okay, show some muscle power. Do it. Yeah.
I did the glory, y'all.
나이스. 이게 저희가 지금 들어와 있는 라이트하우스고 저 바로 건너편에 이런 골프 코스가 있어요. Oh yeah.
We're here. Yes. Now I don't have to worry about falling again.
Good. boy. Sun Young.
Oh, that's number 18.
Oh, they have a thingy.
There's 18 right there.
Howdy.
Look at. I think we're gonna ride one of these.
Keep a 4 to 5 foot distance between you and the horse in front of you for your safety. They are co-workers, not best friends, and they get a little cranky if you get too close. So if the horse in front of you slows down, you slow down.
What are different flavors? Olive jalapeno, daily cayenne, smooth.
어제 저녁 때 자바버리토 남은 거 반 먹었는데 반만 들고 왔는데도 거의 그냥 새 거 같아요. 요거랑 요 팝시클 스토어에서 샀던 브라우니 룻비어 패키지가 예뻐서 산 거 맞고요. This was a twist top. Yummy. Root beer. Do you wanna try? 로고랑 너무 예쁜 것 같아요. Oh, I think it's this way.
Yep.
Thank you.
I got a Bloody Mary.
But Minnie,
Feels like we're in the wine cellar though.
It's spicy alcohol.
Oh, I like it. It's not really dry, but it's has a little sweet.
Well, the peach obviously.
looks like a non-alcoholic champagne.
You look happy.
Yeah.
Cheese pizza.
You know, I know we always kind of compare to
What did we have,
Woody, but Woody's
Oh.
Captain Woody.
Oh yeah.
But I think like this is so much better.
Well,
I'm gonna have. Oh,
The sauce good?
Nope.
I haven't had it. Whoa! Look at cheese melting.
yeah, it's oozing out here. Ethan, you can have one.
Whoa, gosh. A squid?
Whoa!
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, it looks really thin and good though.
Ooh, that looks good though.
What?
This pasta looks good. I like how they cook their noodle.
Oh, pasta's good. Cooked well. I would say out of all the places we've eaten, only Woody's has been really kind of the letdown.
Woody was so disappointing.
It's also the most expensive. It's the most expensive.
I
And we
don't
didn't even
know,
have
this might
drinks.
be expensive. Oh yeah, we didn't have the drink.
That's the thing. We're gonna have drinks. This one we're gonna have drinks plus appetizers plus a meal.
We had appetizer there too.
Oh, we had calamari.
The noodle. It's so chewy and good.
Like in a good way?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. What's it called? It's related.
Man, we gotta stay at Thunderbird Inn. Oh, they got that big welcome to Savannah. Look at that. That's not bad.
That's cute.
Very cute looking, right?
How do people make poker stocks? I never.
엄청 오래된 공동묘지예요. 사바나에서 고스트 투어 이런 것도 하더라고요. 아마 진짜 이렇게 오래된 공동묘지가 많아서 그런 것 같아요. 상당히 유명한 빌딩이라고 해서 보러 왔어요. 전체적으로 도시가 굉장히 예쁜 것 같아요. I know. 지금은 오웬스 타머스인가? 이름은 잘 기억 안 나는데 여기에 약간 슬레이브리 쿼터가 있더라고요. 그래서 그거 보러 갑니다. 이렇게 생겼는데 이게 메인 게이트였던 것 같은데 현재 박물관 엔트런스는 반대편에 있다고 합니다.
So his 21st birthday. Savannah has no natural stone, also is import.
저희는 지금 여기 오웬 토머스 하우스 앤 슬레이브리 쿼터 여기 나와 있는데 여기 입장료가 여기 두 개 테오프 아카데미랑 잽슨 센터까지 다 들어갈 수 있다고 해요. 근데 저희는 아마 시간이 없어서 거기까지 못 갈 것 같아요. This is a normal backyard. Your dream.
Not normal backyard. Think about managing these hedges manually. Oh.
Looks really nice. 사바나 공항이 진짜 귀여워요. 트레인 스테이션 같이 생겼어요. 그리고 여기 How do you read that? Leopard? Leopard's 아이스크림 스토어에 왔습니다. 이게 사바나 다운타운에도 있는 되게 유명한 아이스크림 집인데 거기는 줄을 좀 많이 쓰거든요. 그래서 저희는 공원 지점으로 왔어요.
Anything for you, sir?
I'm gonna get a single and a cup of peppermint, please.
Gotcha.
Here's fine.
You want to try mine? It's very aerated though. Like, yummy.
I should have gotten a kid's. Well,